Single U sound. Similar to that of an OO mouth formation. However, this time without any stretch of the OOO sound. For example, book, look, took, shook, hook, crook, rook, put, foot. Have you seen the book I was reading yesterday? Hey, did you have a look outside this morning? I took everything. Now, I'm here to take you. He shook my hand and went away forever. Captain Hook was my favorite cartoon character. You better not trust him, I find him to be a crook. In the game of chess, the rook is a very important piece. Can you please put him down? He might get hurt. I need to go to the doctor. I think I've hurt my foot.